Axxon Next includes a failover subsystem that automatically recovers a failed server's configuration on another PC in case of a network failure or a power outage. To use the failover system, build a cluster from servers connected to the same physical LAN. The system administrator should have full control over all communication channels and hardware that provides fault tolerance at all times. Let's look at an example where a cluster includes several servers. Here are the definitions of some of the terms that will be used later. A server is a PC with Axxon Next software installed in the failover server and client configuration. A node is an instance of services that can migrate across different servers. A cluster is a logical group of servers that allows nodes to migrate between them. A cluster may encompass nodes from different Axxon domains. Managers are servers that coordinate the cluster's operation and, in particular, make decisions to migrate nodes from one server to another. A supervisor is a service that monitors the statuses of nodes and their migration. The failover system is set up via a supervisor's dedicated web interface. A failover system configuration is a group of servers within a cluster selected for particular tasks. There are several configuration types. N+1 configuration includes several primary servers and one backup server. If a primary server fails, its node migrates to the backup server. The same happens in reverse when the primary server is back online. 1+1 configuration, one primary and one backup server, is a variation of the N+1 configuration. In N+M configuration, there are no fixed roles between primary and backup servers. Any node may function on any server. If a server fails, the node migrates to and operates on any other functioning server.